Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Yapah here. What's going on? I know you're probably like, well finally you're back. It has been interesting. I guess I'll just start it off with I do have the Tabernacles vlog coming up for you. I just have to do the editing, and I have some help, so hopefully she'd be able to help me out with most of it, and we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to get the whole thing out to you guys instead of just part of it like I have been doing in the past, and I'm trying to break from doing that. The only reason I'm inconsistent with it because of time, and I have children's, I have 2 babies and a husband. I got house stuff to do, I have church stuff to do, I have business stuff I'm trying to do, so the editing and stuff takes up a lot of time, and I just don't have the time for it. So I try to make some time, but things add on, and then it just kind of like gets lost. So hopefully this time, most high willing, Lord willing, I can get them all out to you guys, okay? Now, second thing, why I don't have it out yet is because I'm pregos. Okay? I'm pregos. I am a few months in, and the nausea was so bad. It wasn't as bad as it was with my girl, but it was still bad, and it was still annoying, and I couldn't get anything done. But now I'm feeling better. Today I just kind of decided to, I kind of tried to see how I felt yesterday, because before I've been having like headaches, and I'm trying to stay up on my liquids, my water, and my coconut waters, and realizing like this past week that I need more magnesium, so I got some magnesium gummies, and yesterday I felt pretty good. I wasn't feeling as bad, so today I thought I might try to sorry, the boo is texting me. What was I saying? I'm trying to keep up with my liquids, magnesium. I got some magnesium gummies. I take 2 in the morning, then I take 2 in the middle of the day, like probably after noonish, like 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I'll take 1 around my second lunch. And then yeah, it's kind of been helping. I normally have this magnesium stuff called Calm, and you kind of make a tea out of it. You put it in a mug or whatever, put some hot water in there, and it fizzes up, and then the fizzing calms down, and then you just add like regular, if you want cool water or still want hot water, you do that. So I would normally do that, but we're trying to find we weren't able to get it at the time, so he found the gummies, so we just got that. And hold on, my food, sorry, I got my food warming up to eat, because your girl need to eat now. And what was I saying? I forgot. Magnesiums? Yes, got the magnesium. Got it like a week ago. It says to start off with like 1 and then build up to 4. So I started with 1, and then it kind of wasn't doing that much. Then I got 2, and then I kind of felt okay the first half of the day, and then the second half of the day I was still like not okay. And then I just decided to do 2 and then 2 later on in the day, and I actually felt okay. So I was like, maybe I just need to take all 4. Just jump straight to all 4, and so far I'm okay. So today I kind of decided, I was like, okay, let me clean up. I'll show you the video of that. And I had to clean up this space a little bit, get things together, and it's looking pretty good so far. The one thing is this table, like there's so many markings and dirt markings on here, and not dirt markings, but pencil markings, smudged pencil from like drafting patterns and stuff like that. So not dirt markings. It looks like dirt because it's making my table look dirty. Here, I don't know if you can see because of the sun. There you go. You see all that smudgy stuff right there? Yuck. So I was looking online to what I can do, you know, what cleans that off. I'm not trying to sit here with an eraser and try to clean this whole table off. So I found out that rubbing alcohol works. So I tried it, and I was so impressed because I don't know if you can see. You can tell, look at this big old white spot in this whiteness here. I was like, it works. It works. So look at all this dirt on here. Look at that. Not dirt, but it's pencil. It's pencil smudges. So I'm like, I'm going to do this whole table and just go crazy. I need some more paper towel. I saw that work I found it on TikTok. This guy rubbed some rubbing alcohol on his table on some wood, and it came off. And I was like, I'm trying it. So I tried it, and oh my gosh. Now I'm about to wipe this whole table off. Let's see. Oh yes, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's almost like new. After this, I'm gonna eat. I'm eating after this. I'm hungry. Look at that. Look at that. My whole handprint. I'm tired of mine, and I'm hungry now. Well, I was hungry before, but I'm hungrier. But it looks nice now. All these pencil markings and sheesh. I've been trying to get all that off for a while, and I didn't know how to get it off. Something told me today to just look it up. I don't know why I didn't look it up before, but something told me to look it up, so I did. And alcohol came up, rubbing alcohol. It worked out pretty well. It looks nice now. It looks more whiter, even though it's more like an off-white, but it looks cleaner. There's still a couple stubborn markings on there, but that probably requires a little more scrubbing, and it's not gonna be a problem to put clothes on there. So as long as what I got off of there off now, that is good. So I'm gonna eat, and yeah, I'm behind on so many things. Like, I wanted to make people stuff for Passover, but there. I wanted to make people stuff for Passover. However, being pregnant and stuff, and just now the morning sickness is just now dying down, I'm not gonna be able to do it. So I told one of them already that I'm not going to be able to make it. She can just go buy what she wants to buy, and then she asked me if I can do alterations, like if she gets it a size larger, can I alter it to make it smaller? I wanted to know like when it's gonna be here. She said still in the December mark. I still need to respond to her. She just messaged me before I decided to record. But I'm gonna respond to her. That should be fine, especially still in December. And because I was sick, like I was pregnant during Tabernacles and had no idea. In September, I was pregnant. No clue. I did the Vendors Valley. That's where we set up, people with businesses set up and stuff like that, and sell or showcase their products or crafts and stuff like that. So I did that. I was fine. Like I was doing everything. I did a photo shoot at Tabernacles. Like I was straight. Then we come back home from Tabernacles, and like a week or two later, like I'm pregnant. So, because one of the sisters said that she saw in my neck, she saw the extra pulsing in my neck. She was like, "Oh, she ain't gonna tell me, huh?" But I had no idea. And I thought I was just started being pregnant then, but she was like, "No, you were pregnant before that. If I can see that, you're pregnant before then." I had another sister when I was pregnant with my firstborn, back in Chicago. She said that she saw the pulsing in my neck. She knew I was pregnant. So, yeah, I was pregnant. So, I'm preggers now, and I'm behind on the orders that were made at Tabernacles. So that's another reason why I'm like trying to get motivated and push through so I can finish these and send them out to these people. I gave them 2 separate discounts, so hopefully that helps soften the blow of being late. I told them I was pregnant. We found out, and I've been sick and stuff, so hopefully that helps with them ordering for me again. But yeah, I want to hurry up and get these done and get them out of here so I can work on other stuff. And I want to do stuff at Passover. Well, the main Passover is going to be in Florida. We wanted to go Florida time during spring break. The money, nope. We won't be able to go to that one, so we're going to the one in Kaale. And yeah, so I plan on doing, I think it's still called Vendors Valley at Passover too. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna try to do that. We'll see. I'll be nice and big then, stomach wise. So we'll see what my plan is. Maybe I'll share that with you guys later or another time to see what my thoughts are. I'm trying to do something easy, but something that people would still want and that could possibly sell out or something, but we'll see. And I have to make my mind up quickly and soon and like now, so that way I get started and be ready by then. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry and I'm like sweating from scrubbing this table down. I already have oil on my face, so like the sweat and the oil is kind of like making my face look real shiny right now. But I'm gonna go eat because I'm not trying to get no headache. These babies don't play about their food, so I'm gonna go do that, and I'll see y'all in a minute. And if you didn't know, now you're gone.